Near-infrared light therapy has amazing benefits for metabolic syndrome, kidney, liver, and pancreas health. It is easy, cheap and has almost no side effects or drug interactions. You can start it at no cost by exposing your body to early morning sunlight. Let's start with metabolic syndrome. It's a cluster of conditions that increase your risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. But here's the good news. Near-infrared light therapy might be a game changer. Do not forget to comment on your experience whether it is good or not, if you have tried red light, near-infrared or photobiomodulation therapy. A study found that after just 12 weeks of laser watch therapy, patients with metabolic syndrome saw significant improvements in their lipid profiles. Total cholesterol, triglycerides, and bad LDL cholesterol levels all went down, while good HDL cholesterol levels went up. That's a big win for heart health. See the links to references in the comments and description pages. But it gets even better. The same study showed that kidney function improved too. Glomerular filtration rate and creatinine levels got better, which means the kidneys were working more efficiently. It's like giving your kidneys a little boost of energy. Now, let's talk about blood sugar. We all know how important it is to keep those levels in check. Well, a recent study found that a single 15-minute session of red light therapy reduced peak blood sugar levels and total blood sugar levels in healthy participants after drinking a sugary drink. Imagine what that could mean for people with diabetes or pre-diabetes. But why does this work? It's all about the mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. Near-infrared light stimulates these tiny energy factories, making them more efficient. Dr. Michael Powner, a researcher in this field, explains it like this. Red light is absorbed by mitochondria and helps them produce more energy. It lubricates the energy-making machine. Now, let's move on to liver health. Your liver is like your body's chemical processing plant, and keeping it healthy is crucial. Red light therapy has shown some promising results here too. Studies have found that red light therapy can reduce inflammation in the liver, which is great news because chronic inflammation can lead to serious liver problems. It also improves blood flow to the liver, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to those hard-working liver cells. But here's where it gets really interesting. Red light therapy has been shown to improve mitochondrial function in liver cells. Remember those little powerhouses we talked about earlier? Well, in one study, researchers found that red and near-infrared light increased the production of ATP, the energy currency of our cells, in rat liver cells. More energy means better functioning liver cells. Now, let's talk about the pancreas. While there's less direct research on red light therapy and the pancreas, the effects on blood sugar levels we mentioned earlier are definitely relevant. The pancreas plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar, so anything that helps with glucose metabolism is good news for pancreatic health. Wait, there is more, but do not forget to hit the like button if you have found this video useful so far. But here's a word of caution. While these results are exciting, more research is needed, especially in people with existing health conditions. Dr. Cheng, an expert in the field, says, additional research should be done to see if patients with abnormal glucose metabolism are affected by these ranges of light and to see if these research studies can be reproduced on a larger scale. Now, you might be wondering, how does this therapy actually work? Well, it's pretty cool. Near-infrared light penetrates deep into your body's tissues. When it reaches your cells, it stimulates the mitochondria, boosting energy production. This increased cellular energy can kickstart various healing processes in your body. But that's not all. Near-infrared light therapy also helps reduce oxidative stress. That's the imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body, which can lead to cell and tissue damage. By reducing oxidative stress, near-infrared light therapy helps protect your organs from damage. It's also worth noting that this therapy isn't just for people who are already sick. It could potentially be used as a preventive measure too. Imagine if we could use light to help keep our metabolic health in check before problems even start. Now, let's talk numbers. In one study, red light therapy increased the activity of cytochrome C oxidase, an important enzyme in energy production, by 59% in diseased kidneys. That's a significant boost in cellular energy production. Another study found that combining near-infrared light therapy with a Mediterranean diet led to improvements in liver function, reductions in body mass index, and lower blood glucose levels in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It's like a 1-2 punch for better health. But remember, while these results are promising, near-infrared light therapy isn't a magic cure-all. It's best used as part of a comprehensive approach to health, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and other healthy lifestyle habits. Also, it's important to note that not all studies have shown positive results. One study on rats with a condition similar to polycystic kidney disease found that near-infrared light therapy actually worsened their condition. This highlights the need for more research to fully understand when and how this therapy is most beneficial. So, what does all this mean for you? Well, if you're dealing with metabolic syndrome, kidney issues, liver problems, or are just interested in optimizing your health, near-infrared light therapy might be worth discussing with your healthcare provider. It's a non-invasive, drug-free approach that shows a lot of promise. But as always, it's crucial to approach any new therapy with caution and under professional guidance. What works for one person might not work for another, and it's always best to have a personalized approach to health. In the meantime, isn't it exciting to think about the potential of light to heal our bodies? From boosting energy production in our cells to reducing inflammation and improving organ function, near-infrared light therapy is shining a new light on health and wellness. Who knows? In the future, a dose of healing light might be just what the doctor orders. Until then, keep staying curious about new developments in health and wellness. After all, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health.